Welcome back. In the previous video, we were given an equation in slope-intercept form, and we were practicing picking out the slope and the y-intercept out of the equation. In this video, we're going in the other direction. We're going to be given the slope and the y-intercept of a linear equation, and we want to write it in slope-intercept form. And we know how to write the equation of a line. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, where m is called the slope and b is the y-intercept, more particularly the y component of the y-intercept. Okay, so let's take a look at a few examples. Let's say we have a slope of 5/2 and a y-intercept of 3. Okay, we want to write a linear equation in slope-intercept form given the slope and the y-intercept. Well, we have our form right here, so we have y equals the slope, which is 5/2 x, and we have a positive 3 for our y-intercept, so we have plus 3. There's our linear equation in slope-intercept form given the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, pretty straightforward. Let's do some more. Let's say we want to find the linear equation given the slope minus 1/4 and the y-intercept of 3/4. Okay, well, we have our form right here, so y equals, the slope is a minus 1/4 x plus 3/4. And that's our answer. Let's take a look at another one. The next one, we have a slope of 8, and that's going to make us a pretty steep line. The bigger the number is, the steeper the line. And we have a y-intercept of 0. All right, so let's go ahead and write y equals, our slope is 8, so 8x. Our y-intercept is 0, so we don't write it, so this is actually our answer in slope-intercept form. We know, should know off the top of our heads that when our y-intercept is 0, that this line is going to pass through the origin, and our slope is pretty high at 8, so we're going to have a steep line passing through the origin. So you can almost, kind of get an idea of what the line is going to look like just from these two pieces of information. Very important, makes life a lot easier. Let's see. Next we have a slope of 0, and our y-intercept is a positive 6. Okay, so our slope-intercept form is y equals our slope times x. Our slope is 0, so it's going to just cancel out to 0, and our y-intercept is 6. So y equals 6, and as we said before, this actually gives us a horizontal line that runs through the y-axis at y equals 6. Okay, let's do a few more. Let's see, we have a slope of minus 0.2 and a y-intercept of, let's just say minus 1. Okay. Using our slope-intercept form, we have y equals minus 0.2x and minus 1. Now it's perfectly fine to have our slope in decimal form. We can also convert it to fractions if you would like, but this is a perfectly acceptable answer. Let's run through one more example. Let's say we have a slope of, our slope is 3.5, and our y-intercept is minus 6/5. Okay, slope-intercept form is y equals our slope times x and our y-intercept, which is a minus 6/5. Now you can convert one to the other. The decimal you can convert to a fraction, or this fraction you can convert to a decimal, or you can leave it like this. This is perfectly acceptable as long as our components are in the right place and our signs are correct. Those are the two most important pieces of information in our slope-intercept form. So just wanted to get a little more practice in this, and next we'll actually look at slope-intercept form on a graph. So I'll see you soon.